He was a little slow. Oops. Everything's icy. It just freezing rain. Awesome. Beautiful rabbit. Was just working around up there and he stayed still. He was probably worried I was still up there. As I was like slinking through this, just trying to push him down, because last time they ran up this way into the junk and got away because I couldn't really see them, get shots off. They're all too close for my choke. You know, 20-foot shots. Sweet. First rabbit I've gotten this year. Beauty. Nice cottontail. Really cloudy, cold day. Kind of surprised he's out, but not shocked because I haven't been putting a lot of pressure on him. They've been coming out towards evening to feed overnight, I think, and hang out in these briars. Nice rabbit. I'm gonna take him home, butcher him, save the meat. All the squirrels and stuff I already got this season, and probably save the belly fur for a jig tire, I know. Weird. Wow. Got him. That was a total snapshot. Once in a while, this isn't like a area where like they normally hang out. He's still twitching. Give him another. Once in a while they'll hang out here. Like it's like a transition spot. They don't live here. There's no holes that I know of. But once in a while they'll move like overnight and get stuck here or something, and they'll really sit tight. So I try and kick some snow in, and then I'll walk around it and try and spook them. I don't see them here very often though. That's awesome. It's a beautiful rabbit. Surprised I got two. It's above average day for around here for sure. Especially for hunting for 20 minutes. Could be another, so unlikely, but work my way down there. So I'm gonna go around. Yeah, that is sweet. 2 rabbits now. It's a lot of good meat. I don't even know which part of the brush he popped out of. I just saw him, he was really booking it. Somehow I just barely tapped him when he ran around a tree there. All the shots I take with this hat camera I don't aim with, you know. I can't, like I have game ears on and I don't know where my earbud game ears are. So all the shots I take are too fast for me to be able to line up the sights like that. As the game ears get in the way, and the camera I have to have on my head just right. So they're all snapshots all the time. He ran right out of here, booked it up here, and wrapped around one of these trees here, and I drilled him. Take a second to see him here. Should be obvious, he's out in the open, kinda. Just give me a second. Hard to keep an eye on him when you walk through all that, wind through all that brush there. There he is, he's over there. Other side of this. Awesome. two now. Got my one from a few minutes ago right here. Beauties. Perfect eating rabbits. Oh man, awesome. About 15 minutes of legal light left. I got him right in the head. See how his eyes popping out from the pressure? Awesome. Just barely nicked him in the head. Probably right when he was wrapping around whatever tree I saw him. That one maybe? I don't know. Something. Beauties. Man. Take them both home. Save the meat for later. Maybe I'll eat it separate, or maybe with the squirrels, I'm not sure. And also save this white belly fur for some jigs. Awesome.